Hello guys, this is Garten, Atomic, and today I'm reacting to Banban. All new bosses posted in chapter 4. Alright. So this is also made by Buggy Huggy. You can just see the name. Buggy Huggy.
Stop running away, you won't get from me. I will trample you. You shouldn't have pissed me off.
What? Like, smell? You mean smelled?
As soon as you fall to the ground, you are screwed. I will crush you. Stop running away.
Doom, and Dr. Fluffyface have the same number of eyes with different colors, but they're different. But since they two have the same number as since Dodo and Dr. Fluffyface have the same number of eyes. You know? Well, okay. Yes. Dr. Fluffyface. Hold on. Dr. Fluffyface doesn't have a pet Doom. Dr. Fluffyface doesn't have a pet Doom. Oh my. Why's Dr. Fluffyface running like that?
Come to your senses now. Remember who I am. I will smell you.
Close! Oh. Dr. Fluffyface's run is so funny. Oh. He's trying to get out. What the? Oh! Smiley! What the?
We need you to catch Hunky and save him. Will you help?
Miley, how did it end up here? What was that? Apparently I was too angry. It happens to me.
Too angry?
Of course I'll help you.
You are too angry because I broke the stupid camera on accident.
Let's go. It's time to catch Honky and cure him.
Yeah, but Dr. Fluffyface, you weren't with us in the elevator. Oh. There! Go with that, Dr. Walk.
Honky, how are you?
I think it's me again. It was so dark. I saw terrible things. I think I saw
Did-
children. Look what I found.
Did Hunky Jack ate that?
Shoe. The head
shoe-
now should know
A
something about
crusty
this.
shoe?
But he left the
Crusty crab?
family. Try to find him.
Oh, who lives in a pond full of the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. Alright, so Krusty. Oh, is this Krusty Krab? Is that his name? Or what is it? What does it say? What is this? Oh my.
Do you want to join my team? You need to pass the test. Choose any of the three.
What's acuity? What is this? I think it Admiral Krusty. Admiral Admiral I don't know how to Admiral Admiral. Oh my god, I don't know how to say his name. I know how to say Krusty. Admiral Krusty. I just named him that. Admiral Krusty. Oh. Angry. That's an angry face. Oh, a cookie. Is it chocolate chip cookie? Oh, hi.
Not bad. Next test. Let's see how you handle the bird.
Oh, pillow bird. Why not torta bird?
That's not
There.
fair. Bob,
Bob?
deal with this looking.
What the? It's a new chick. It grows so strong. That the name is Bob. Oh yeah. What did you say?
Get up, come on. The test is over. Well, I have to deal with you myself.
What? I don't. Oh great.
Bob, get up.
Oh no.
Catch him. Sooner or later, I'll hit you.
What? We're going straight to Bob. Why? Why? Oh great. Wait, is it his full name? Is it Bob's full name Chick Bob? I mean, he looks like the Opiwa chick. I mean, Bob looks like a chick from Opiwa, but so I'll name Bob Chick Bob. Chick Bob. That's great. Then that's great name. Chick Bob. What happened to Tomataki and Chamataki? Instead of Tomataki and Chamataki, is Tomataki, Damataki, and Chamataki. Dude, it's Hellish Tomataki and Chamataki, but 3 heads? I guess the name of Hellish Tomataki and Chamataki is Tawataki, Damataki, and Chamataki. That might be the... Oh great. How did you get there how did you get out of that spinning wrecking ball so fast? What is this now? Which monster will we see now? That I'm not even scared about. Ah! Oh man. New monsters!